Have you ever wondered what everyone means when they talk about blockchain? It's not just about Bitcoin or crypto, it's a technology that's shaping our future. Let's break it down in simple terms, no tech jargon, just a clear explanation. Imagine you're buying something online, like a pair of sneakers. Typically, your money goes through a bank or payment processor before reaching the seller. These middlemen handle the transaction, but they're also prone to errors, delays, and even fraud. That's where blockchain comes in, a revolutionary technology designed to cut out the middlemen and make transactions more secure and efficient. So why does this matter to you? Because blockchain isn't just for techies, it's already being used in everyday life, from tracking food safety to ensuring secure online payments. At its core, blockchain is like a digital ledger or record book. But instead of being stored in one place, it's shared across a network of computers around the world. Here's the cool part. Once something is recorded on the blockchain, it's almost impossible to change or tamper with. Think of it like this. Imagine a group of friends sharing a notebook where everyone writes down who owes who money. Each friend gets a copy of the notebook, so if one person tries to cheat and change their version, the others can call them out because their notebooks don't match. That's essentially how blockchain works. So, why should you care? Here's a practical example. Let's say you're buying a house. The process involves tons of paperwork, lawyers, and weeks of waiting. With blockchain, all the property details, ownership records, and contracts could be securely stored on a digital ledger. You could buy the house in days instead of weeks, without worrying about fraud or errors. Another example, have you heard about food recalls in the news? Blockchain is being used to track food from farm to table. If there's an issue, like contaminated spinach, companies can quickly trace it back to the source and pull it off the shelves, keeping you and your family safe. But blockchain isn't perfect. It uses a lot of energy, and not every system is completely secure yet. Still, companies and governments are investing heavily in making it more efficient and widely usable. Blockchain might sound complex, but it's really about creating a trustworthy, transparent system for sharing information. Whether it's making payments easier, improving food safety, or even speeding up buying a home, it's already starting to impact our daily lives. If this made blockchain a little clearer for you, let me know by hitting the like button or dropping a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and relatable finance content, because understanding your money and the tools shaping it shouldn't be complicated.